Welcome to 1 Minute Crypto. I'm your host Chronos, and today we're going to talk about a new project coming out on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. It's called Memo, and it's designed to be a social media platform directly on chain where the posts and the likes are actually transactions on the Bitcoin Cash chain. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 benefits that I see of this model and then a couple of drawbacks as well. Today's video is sponsored by America's Card Room, the most trusted US online poker site. Be sure to use the bonus code Chronos when you sign up, and you'll double your first deposit and get up to $50 in free cash. Sign up today at America's Card Room. So the first benefit of building a social media platform directly on chain is that it is uncensorable, which means nobody can remove or control your messages. This is a big deal because today, if you make a post on Twitter or on Facebook, for example, the government or those companies can actually block your access and take down those posts. And so this might not seem a big deal to you if you live in a first world country and you feel good about your rights as a citizen, but that's not true everywhere in the world. In some places, governments are very oppressive and they stop their citizens from communicating with each other. Uncensorable communication channels are an important piece in the fight for individual freedoms. Another benefit of building a social media platform directly on a blockchain is that it's extremely reliable. If you think back over the last couple of years, you probably noticed that Bitcoin just doesn't go down. Okay, maybe the software you're using is having trouble connecting to the network, but the network itself is extremely reliable. And that's being carried over to this platform because it's actually on chain. Your posts are a transaction on the Bitcoin Cash blockchain, so you can expect that same level of reliability, which is a great benefit. A third benefit of building on the blockchain is that it's actually a money chain. You know, Bitcoin Cash is used as money, and that means that tipping or giving money to other users is a native function of the social media platform. This is a big deal. On Facebook, if you want to give money to another user, you have to connect your bank account to something or use some other service. But with Memo, which is this social media platform, tipping is built in because you're already using Bitcoin Cash, which is connected to your Bitcoin Cash, which is money. And so there's no extra step necessary. This makes tipping very convenient, and I think it's going to open up new use cases for earning money on social media platforms. Now, let's talk about some of the downsides to this idea. To me, the first is that you can't delete anything that you've posted. Once something's in a blockchain, it's not going away. So with a typical social media platform, you might have a delete button. You can feel like your data is gone. Maybe it's not because someone retweeted it or someone's copied it down, but with Bitcoin Cash and Memo, there is no way to remove what you've posted. So you definitely need to keep that in mind when you're using it. Also, your privacy on the platform is very limited. Once your identity is connected to your post, there's no way to hide that. You do not have a high level of privacy when you're making posts on Memo. And then the third downside is there's a small cost to using it. Because you're making transactions on the Bitcoin Cash chain, you do have to attach a transaction fee to that transaction. Maybe that's going to be small, like less than a cent, but if you do a lot of posts, that can add up. And that is inferior to other social media platforms where obviously making a post is absolutely free. So those are a couple of the downsides of this project, but overall, I'm really excited about Memo because it's bringing something new and powerful to the community. I want to hear what you have to think, so let us know in the comments below the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Chronos. Thanks for watching.